Good morning. Thanks for joining me to watch the birds in the backyard. Got some sparrows, blue jays, a little dove out there eating seed. Blue jays are being themselves in space or chasing the small sparrows away. Sparrows don't like to hang out with them. Oh, there's a little guy on the porch of the shed. Got a couple little guys down here on the ground feeding too. If you enjoy watching the birds with me in my backyard, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for stopping in and enjoying the birds with me this morning.